Hello, everyone. Whoever watching this on LinkedIn or on YouTube, I got something for y'all, which is how to make ProjectWise Explorer have in a dark mode. Make it dark. So I made something that's gonna make it dark or dark adjacent, something like that. Anyway, I'm gonna show it to y'all with the code and everything. And also, I'm giving away the software itself and also the code. So like I said before in my other videos that I posted with codes, just please take it, run with it. You want to make it better, even make it better. How about that? Okay. Well, without further ado, let's get into this. If you go to the Bentley communities, it's been asked multiple times. I mean, and most of the stuff I see 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and it never like been answered. But I'm doing this because there are a comment here that broke my heart. As you can see, it says comment. I bought a yellow tinted glasses just because ProjectWise screen is a giant wall of white light. Every modern application has a dark mode. Oh yeah, I know I'm a year late, but this is in 2025. But it's really sad. Like, it's really sad. People having like multiple threads asking for it. So I guess what I'm saying is to hold these people, if you ever find my video, so I got you. Okay, so let's show y'all what's going on. Let's do this. So let's open this folder. Ta-da! So this is the software. So what I'm gonna give y'all actually, which is gonna be the link, if it's YouTube, is gonna be in the comments. If it's LinkedIn, it's gonna be the first comment. That's the folder, and inside it, you're gonna see the code, you're gonna see the software itself, the .exe, and also README. I understand that some people will be hesitant, and I get it. I don't know you, you don't know me, I'm a stranger from the internet, right? You should not get any EX from me and just run it. But if you know what you're doing, there are ways of doing that without actually compromising yourself. But I promise, there's nothing here, nothing bad. But it's up to you. But that's why my delivery image is not just going to be the exe file. So what I wanted to do is I want to run it. I want to show it to y'all. So double click on it. Let's give it a second. Ta-da! And then when you open, you're going to get this window here in the bottom, as you can see in the bottom corner. You can take it out or leave it. So now here you have this lovely moon situation, and it's called ProjectWise Dark Mode. So if you right click on it, you're going to see two things. You're going to see show hide and you're going to see close. So now you will say how to do that. So how am I going to know if my ProjectWise is dark? Well, let's just go open it. And let's watch the magic happen. Ta-da! ProjectWise Explorer in the dark mode, finally, 2026. Yay! By a stranger from the internet. That's it. You can sign in, do whatever as it is. And also, if you went here to the tool, right now, since the tool is running, if you right click on it, you can close show hide. See, it turned it back to white, back again to dark, and then just close the dark mode. Poop. That's it. It's gone. Okay. So now let's go back to the folder. What's in the folder that I'm going to put in the drive? Of course, you're going to get the EX, and I said if you are comfortable, open it. It's okay. If not, it's okay. I got you. I got something else. And then we have the README text. So if we open this one, this is basically just explaining to you what it does and how it does. So go read it. It's helpful. And then the code. So this is where I think it's important for people, especially the people who want to do programs. I got the code for you, the source code. So I'm gonna have here two things: the .py and also .txt. Did I type text? Yeah, I really just typed text. Let me actually change that to. It doesn't matter. I can just open it with Notepad, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm gonna double click on a py, which is, for people who know, this is the Python. But I don't really have a Python. But I thought people who doesn't have a Python, they shouldn't even have to worry about that. But if I double click on it, let me show you what's gonna happen. You're gonna get this window, and then you see summon in the darkness. Yep, that's what he was saying. And then here, it's gonna actually open it for you, because that's part of the code itself. Ta-da, and it opened. So, boop, but I don't want it. And again, you see, do the same thing, turn it on and off. And you can also do exit. So let's close it. So, and then the code itself, the people who want to open it as a text file and and learn from it or modify it, this is the whole code here from A to Z. But I'm gonna open it right now with the Notepad++. What I wanted to do, I wanted to leave this here, and I wanted also to explain everything, even for people who doesn't know what's going on. Because if you learn this, you can do things. So as you can see here in the top, I have the welcome, the hello, and explain exactly what it is. And then after that, you're gonna see section. You see this section, let's go down. Another section, but also if you notice here, these green lines, what I did is basically, I went line by line, and I was working with the AI, of course, and I asked it to explain all these for somebody who does not know what's going on. And as you can see here, this is for you to learn. You can just go down, 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 and explain to you the codes themselves and what they are doing. Let's go through this. It literally just explained everything. Turn dark title bar, and then explain how this is gonna be black and all that. Okay, and one last thing that I wanted to explain is because like you saw when I opened the EXE, it did not open the ProjectWise Explorer, right? Because if you know how to do it, take the Python and convert it to EXE if you know how to do that. So the way that I did it, and I tried multiple times, it will just turn on the software, but then it does not want to open ProjectWise. So it doesn't matter. As long as the software is open, you can still go by yourself and open ProjectWise. And I made sure here to put that here in the line. Where is it? So you see here, the dark mode is ready when you start the engine and then couldn't find the auto ProjectWise, just open it yourself. One other thing that I wanted to point out is something I think you might gonna need to change, which is here, which is the patterns, like where exactly you go look for ProjectWise Explorer in your machine. So I just made sure to have like all these generic ones for program files, the x80, the Bentley, blah, 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 and all that. And where you can find the bwc.exe, which is actually ProjectWise Explorer. So it will start looking at all these. But if you know, if you have one of them that is different, just open the code and add the link here and you're good to go. Yeah, and also you got the comments to learn coding too. So you're not just getting the code, you're also getting extra teaching. So yeah, and that's it. This is the Python file and also the text file and also the software itself. And I hope y'all enjoy it and please spread it. And like I said at the beginning, please, if you want to make it better, update it, go ahead, do that and share it because sharing is caring. I guess, thank you. See y'all to the next adventure. Well, see y'all when I make something else. Okay, y'all have a wonderful day.